are with my mom. It can do backwards and forwards. This is a little motorcycle. You can even steer it by his nose. What's easiest to steer that way. Hold on a sec. This motorcycle is going to go across the floor and head right for me! And it's heading right for me!
Just straighten it up so we can see it. Yeah, like that. It'd probably go faster on the hard floor, but we're gonna go test it on the hard floor.
Okay, but what? The bathroom? Go.
Well, it seems it is about the same, huh? Hey, no. Whoa. Okay, let's watch it on the floor.
Okay. It's at this steering made 8 and 9. I'm going to follow it. And hold that if it gets too far.
So the motor is spinning the rod, which is spinning all the wheels, which is pushing that wheel. That's just freely spinning. Cool. You can't really turn it,
It can
but
go both ways, forward and backward.
Well, let's show that. Let's do the backwards. It spins either way.
Yeah. And stop is at the center. I wonder how it would act on this thing.
Okay, let's see what happens when it gets to that big bump. See if it can climb it or not. Oh.
Just stop.
Okay.